Your mind can only comprehend information in the present tense. I don't know if you knew that, but if you think about something that happened in the past, let's say you had some sort of traumatic experience, which was really painful and really sad. If you think about that, you can actually feel that saddened feeling in your gut. You can actually start crying for that matter, because it was really a very sad experience, which means you are just thinking about it and you are creating a physical response based on your thought. But you are not in that experience at the moment anymore. So your body has no idea whether you are in that experience or whether you are just fabricating a thought that creates all of this all of the physical reactions. So why is this important? When you do affirmations, when you write down your goals, when you visualize, and when you think about things that you really want to manifest in your life, you want to do that in the present tense. You want to write it out as if you are in that situation, so that you can teach your body how that emotionally feels. When you can teach your body those emotional reactions, you actually create new neural pathways in your brain and new chemical reactions in your brain. And that is how you can actually create a new future for yourself. Chew on that. I'll bring you something else over the next few days. Bye.